In today's video, I will walk you through how to share screen on Zoom. First, join or start your Zoom meeting. Once you're in the meeting window, look at the toolbar along the bottom of the screen and click the Share button. If you don't see the toolbar, simply move your mouse to make it appear. After you click Share, the sharing window will open. This is where you choose exactly what you want everyone in the meeting to see. At the top of the window, you'll find 3 tabs called Screens, Documents, and Advanced. For this tutorial, we'll use the Screens tab. In the Screens tab, you'll see thumbnails of everything that can be shared. This usually includes your full displays, labeled as Screen 1, Screen 2, and so on, along with any individual application windows that are currently open. If you want to move between different applications while presenting, select your entire screen. This allows participants to see everything that appears on that display as you switch between windows. Remember that anything visible on that screen, including notifications or open tabs, will also be shared, so close anything private before you continue. If you only want to present a specific application, choose that individual application window instead. This shares only the selected app while keeping everything else on your computer hidden from the meeting. It's a simple way to keep the presentation focused on a single window. On the right side of the sharing window, you'll also see presenter layout options. These let you choose how your shared content and camera are displayed during the presentation. The content-only layout fills the screen with the content you're sharing. The As Background layout places your shared content behind you so your camera appears in front of it. The Over-the-Shoulder layout positions your camera so it looks like you're standing beside your shared content. The Side-by-Side layout places your camera and the shared content next to each other so both are shown at the same time. Choose the layout that matches the way you want your presentation to appear. Below the layout options, you'll find a few additional settings you can turn on if needed. The Share Sound option allows participants to hear audio from your computer while you're sharing your screen. Turn this on if the content you're sharing includes sound. The Optimize for Video Sharing option improves the playback of videos and animations so they appear smoother during the presentation. You'll also see the Share Zoom Windows option. Turn this on if you want to include Zoom's own interface as part of your screen share. Once you've selected what you want to share, chosen your preferred layout, and adjusted any settings you need, click the Share button. Your audience will immediately see the screen or application you selected using the layout and options you chose. While you're presenting, move your cursor only when needed and continue speaking as you guide participants through the content on your screen. That's all there is to it. You've successfully shared your screen on Zoom. Thank you for watching.